Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So I have my little helper here today. Say hi, Devon.
Hi.
I'm not that little, but thank you.
Well, we're getting there. We're getting there.
Comment.
So we're doing brake hoses, all four on the Corvette today, which I love. I've had one like this. They're beautiful cars. So we're putting the new ones on. And as you can see, bolts up, bolts up. The new one is short. So I had to undo other things to get it on there to make sure that it stays like it's supposed to and that it's pliable. If not, we would have to order all new hoses. So that's good. So that goes down there. We got all new washers on it, new hose, and with Bobby's magic, it'll look like this one seamless, beautiful video of all the hoses done and it driving again. Yes, what a day. So this is taking a lot longer than planned on because that's shorter. Nothing wants to come apart nice and easy. That one right there. So, but on that note, oh, he disappeared. What do we say, Devon? What do we say?
Thank you.
Go ahead, take your time. No worries. What do you want to say to everybody?
Hope you be like a mechanic like my dad, and I hope you just have fun with your dad and have lots and lots of fun with your dad.
There you go. Thanks, guys.